Welcome to week 4's grocery haul of the Coles shop. So this is the last week as well for the Coles 4-week spend, and we are doing 5 weeks of grocery haul challenges. So next week will be our Woolworths shop to round out for the month. And as I mentioned in the last video, this is where officially the wheels have fallen off the wagon because we went to Melbourne and we did a click and collect. Sorry, we got an order delivered, and there was an online issue and the Flybuys account didn't register stuff for my daughter's account. They created this whole other account, so we had to cancel that, and they wouldn't merge them, and it was just a nightmare. Even if we did merge them, they said that they can't honour the previous shop, so we've missed out. So basically we've spent already for a couple of weeks and not been rewarded for it, but I'll just double triple check next time. So I'm so frustrated in myself because I had a look, I thought I double checked it, I thought it was okay, and I don't know, I have no words. So this shop is just my account. I think the minimum spend was 70. However, I got an offer that if I did 90 or more, I got a bonus 2,000 points. So I thought, well, let's do it, because then that spend will kind of cover both accounts. And there were some things that we needed that we'd run out of, and there was just things that I buy every single week regardless, to make sure that we're stockpiling effectively in all the right areas. So this was a bigger shop than normal. Than what I was planning anyway. I was just planning on doing basics, and then any extra will get rolled over into the Woolworths haul. So that's sort of what I'm trying to do moving forward. So enjoy this Coles spend. It's a bit shorter because I was just filming as I was going through store, because I knew that once I got home wouldn't have time to film all on the bench. Just trying something different, let me know. I know some people like to see it all, but the receipt is at the end as well, so I'll see you there. So I got some pink lady apples. I get the loose ones. I only got about 4 because to make sure that we go through them all. And I got a lettuce. I picked up a couple of bananas. We got strawberries. We got the wrap bread. I think I put 1 pack back, so I only got 1 in the end. The honey ham, our standard bagels, multigrain bread, and white bread for toast and sandwiches through the week. I put 1 of these cracker packets back because I was adding up as I was going towards the end. The same with the drinking chocolate. I think I put 2 of them back. We've picked up iced coffee and milk, you can see there, and then we've picked up the orange juice. I got some wedges because it's going to be for that night that I just cannot be bothered cooking. Got some mango sorbet for my daughter because we picked up a ice cream. I only buy ice cream about once a month now, and it was only 50 cents more expensive than home brand, so I figured why not. Luckily, I had written myself a little bit of a list. I normally have a list in my phone, but I sometimes forget to check it. But I thought on paper, if I'm holding it, it makes me double check. I didn't grab everything that was on the list. I just figured I could maybe get it at Woolworths, and even then I forgot some things. So I did run back to get the white sugar, and I picked up the Disprin, and I double checked, remembered for the baking paper because we are out, and oh my gosh, it's been such a struggle for me, let me tell you. Luckily it was half price. I still only got 1. I picked up an alfoil. I didn't realize that we didn't need any, but oh well. And then luckily the lady in front of me at checkout was taking ages, so I ran back to pick up the aioli sauce and was able to add that in. So here is our receipt with the total and everything that we spent. So that wraps up our Coles flyby spend. So I got the points for mine, but as I said, there's nothing for my daughter. So moving forward, we will just have to be aware of what's going on. I'm curious to know if the next spend offer that comes around, what my minimum spend will be, because I'll probably just be like, no thank you, if it's too high. And then I will very strategically menu plan and then shop a little bit more at Woolworths, get the 10% off, and alternate with any stock up things from Aldi. I'm planning on trying to use up a few more bits of the meat from the freezer and any other little bits and pieces from the pantry, but my plans now compared with the plans that happen by the time we get there, who knows? who knows? I could get a really good offer. I don't know. I'm doing one day at a time right now because I cannot forward plan too much. Otherwise I just end up in a mess. So thank you so much for joining with me on this shop. I so appreciate your time here, and I will see you next week for the Woolworths haul to finish out the month. Bye.